God, it's so traffic. Time is 10:20 in the morning, Monday, January 5. Oh my God. So traffic going up north. Grabe oh. Bumper to bumper. And wet day. May ulan. Umuulan. Sana walang bangga. Hopefully there is no collision over there. Hopefully. Grabe oh. Bumper to bumper. 10:21 in the morning. Rainy day. Ganyan talaga. I'm going to UW to pass my paperworks for my FMLA. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, 2026 already. Oh my God, it's a January 5. Oh my God. Start of the year. Wow. January 5. Grabe oh, bumper to bumper. Umulan pa. It's raining. Wet day. Ay, ay, ay. Talaga speed limit is 30 miles per hour. But I got 21 miles per hour. Bumper to bumper. Wow. This is life of America. Hard. That's okay. I used to it. Ganyan talaga. Life is hard. Very hard. That's why you have to go to school, guys. Get a degree. America is different right now, not before, not 2000. Year 2000 na when we arrived over here, 2000. Oh, look at now, there's a lot of building. It's booming over here in Seattle. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. So traffic. That's how it is. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, already for 5 minutes. Hinto, takbo, hinto, takbo. Ay, 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 ay. the cloud of the that's a building of the downtown Seattle. The cloud it's on the top of the building. Oh my God, that's why it's cold already over here, very cold. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Oh my God, look at the building. Umabot sa yung ano, yung cloud sa bubong ng mga building, oh. Hindi na makita ng ibabaw, iba eh. Nandun na sa ulap. That's downtown Seattle. Alright guys, see ya.